The annual Ramadan Iftar Dinner at the Bronx County Building drew in Muslims representing several communities and countries from around the globe.
It's not only Albanian people, it's the whole world sitting in the borough of Bronx and celebrating the great month for us as a Muslim. But at the same time, it's not only the great month for us.
It is a great moment. It's proof that we are inclusive in this community, in this society.
We are here to show the solidarity, to show the brightness of Islam, to show the peace by eating together.
And that is the tradition and practice of Ramadan.
After a long day of fasting, it is it's fun. It's a pleasure to have iftar, with family, friends, and people from the community.
We want to welcome you here to Veterans Hall, here in the People's House, and we want to make sure that you know that whether we are Muslims or not in the Bronx, we appreciate everything that you do for this borough and for this city.
And hosting the event each year, Bronx Borough President Reuben Diaz Jr., who is recognized for his longstanding advocacy, specifically in the areas of healthcare and raising minimum wage. A former state assembly member elected at the age of 23, making him the youngest to be serving in the legislative body since Theodore Roosevelt, also led the push to see that holy days were recognized on school calendars.
I was the first author so that the Eids could be observed in the Department of Education and the educational system.
Borough President invited us. Our Muslim community is really happy about that.
The evening further allows the community to express their faith with Borough President Diaz Jr., who won under a campaign slogan of One Bronx, a slogan that continues to inspire and resonate with many, including honoree Burima Niabele, who hails from Mali.
We cannot survive if we are so divided. So it's a time for us here.
Other honorees were Shabir Ahmed Gul, founder of the Madhi Masjid of the Bronx, Islamic Relief USA, and Heb Jamal, VP of Student Justice for the Palestine with the City University of New York.
Muslims, specifically in the Bronx community, it's a very tight-knit, beautiful community that uplifts one another, and I think that's not necessarily known.
Tonight is a celebration of faith, it's a celebration of culture, and as you can see behind me, of diversity too. Here at the Bronx County Building, this is Arlene Makoko for Bronxnet.